Now, the governance in Delhi is set for a sea change as the controversial services bill was passed by the Rajya Sabha on Monday after an exhaustive and bitter debate which ended at about 10:20 at night. The bill, which requires the president's sign-off, gives the centre control over Delhi's bureaucrats. The government of the National Capital Territory of Delhi, the Amendment Bill 2023, passed by 131 to 102 votes. 4 MPs have abstained.
Right, and this is a big blow to the Aam Aadmi Party, that is the ruling party in Delhi. Of course, the opposition did put up a strong fight with several parties such as the Congress and the TMC supporting the Aam Aadmi Party in opposing this, but of course they didn't have the numbers and the bill was passed. The opposition was outnumbered by the joint efforts of Naveen Patnaik's Biju Janata Dal, Andhra Pradesh's ruling YSR Congress, and the opposition TDP, all of whom declared support for the government last week, and they added to their strength. Now, speaking against the bill, Aam Aadmi Party's Raghav Chadha exhorted the BJP to follow their own leaders, Atal Bihari Vajpayee and LK Advani, who wanted full-fledged statehood for Delhi. The BJP, he alleged, is reacting to the fact that they have lost multiple consecutive elections in Delhi, and that's why they are using this very bill to exercise control over Delhi and control Delhi without being an elected government. So let's listen in to the excerpts of the heated debate that played out in the parliament yesterday.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं आपके माध्यम से पूरे सदन को आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूं कि बिल का उद्देश्य केवल और केवल दिल्ली में सुचारू रूप से भ्रष्टाचार विहीन और लोकाभिमुख शासन हो। ये बिल कैसे संविधान सम्मत है, ये बिल कैसे सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जजमेंट को किसी भी एंगल से, किसी भी तरह से इसको वायोलेट नहीं करता है।
2015 में आपने मेरी शक्तियां छीनी, दिल्ली सरकार की। जैसी हमारी सरकार बनी, आपने हमारी शक्तियां छीन ली नोटिफिकेशन जारी करके। फिर भी बिना शक्तियों के हमने काम किया और दिल्ली की जनता ने मेरे को 2020 में 62 सीट दे के दिल्ली की जनता ने आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार बनाई। हम दिल्ली वाले दिल्ली से बहुत प्यार करते हैं और हम जानते हैं कि बीजेपी दिल्ली के लोगों से नफरत करती है, दिल्ली वालों से नफरत करती है।
First they came for the socialists and I did not speak out because I was not a socialist. Then they came for the trade unionists and I did not speak out because I was not a trade unionist. Then they came for the Jews and I did not speak out because I am not a Jew. Then they came for me and for you, and there was no one left to speak for us.
दिल्ली को पूर्ण राज्य का दर्जा दिलाने की मांग लगातार भारतीय जनता पार्टी दिल्ली वालों के सामने रखती रही। सर, ये बिल सिर्फ संविधान का और लोकतंत्र का अपमान नहीं है, ये बिल लाल कृष्ण आडवाणी जी का, अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी का, मदन लाल खुराना जी का, सुषमा स्वराज जी का, अरुण जेटली जी का, सबका अपमान करने का और उनके 40 साल के संघर्ष को मिट्टी में मिलाने का काम करता है। सर,
when lawyers start quoting from historical figures, they should be careful. When they came for the socialists, I did not oppose because I'm not a socialist. Then they came for the trade unionists, I did not oppose because I'm not a trade unionist. Then they came for the Jews, and I'm not a Jew, so I didn't oppose. Now they come for me. Sir, I want to humbly submit, they came for you. They first attacked you. And I'm talking about a period before the BJP government assumed office in May 2014. Let me remind you, because you seem to have selective amnesia.